name is Zain Amin and I am the co-founder of PTE Pakistan. PTE Pakistan is an international online educational institute and we are based in Sydney. We are basically helping students across Pakistan to pass their English language requirement who are looking to apply for international universities of Australia, New Zealand, UK, USA and Canada. And this test also helps for those who are aspiring to apply for permanent residency of Australia and New Zealand as well. First of all, let's talk about what is PTE. PTE is the abbreviation of three words, PTE, Pearson Test of English. And the purpose of this test is once you pass this test, then you can pass the English language requirement and you can apply for study visa and you can also apply for immigration of Australia and New Zealand. Which means the purpose of this test is 100% similar to IELTS. But as per the difficulty level is concerned, so we can say that this test is 100% easier than IELTS. This test has recently started in Pakistan and currently the test centers are available in Lahore and Islamabad. This test is 100% computer based test. So you do not need to write anything or you need to tick anything, but it is 100% computer based. Later in this video, I will show you that how on computer you will be able to do this test. Let's talk about some acceptability of this test. So this test is acceptable in Australia and New Zealand for all kind of study visas and for immigration purposes as well. Similarly, in Ireland, all Irish universities are accepting this test, and 98% of all universities situated in England, Ireland and Scotland are accepting this test. Similarly, the famous universities like McGill and British Columbia are situated in Canada, and more than 2000 educational institutes like Harvard and Yale of USA are also accepting this test. Moreover, like 90% of European universities situated in Italy, France, Spain, Germany, they are also accepting this test as well. Let's talk about the format of this test. So like any other English language test like IELTS and TOEFL, PTE test has 4 different modules: speaking module, writing module, reading module and listening module. And all these 4 modules we have 20 different types of questions in total. Like in speaking we have 5 different types, in writing we have 2 different types, in reading we have 5, and lastly in listening we have 8 different types of questions. In PTE, Pearson has divided these 4 modules into 3 parts. PTE considers speaking and writing part collectively and call it part 1. And in order to finish the part 1, PTE gives us a time of 77 to 93 minutes. Similarly, in part 2 we have reading, and in order to finish reading section we have 32 to 40 minutes. For listening section we will have 45 to 47 minutes. The reason for this time range and not having an exact time frame is because of total number of questions. PTE software, when we start a test, PTE software takes our test by itself from the data of all the questions they have in the system. Now let's come back to the question types. I said that the types of questions are 20, but total number of questions in each module, like in speaking, we will have 38 to 40 questions, because let's take the example of read aloud. Read aloud is one of the question type of speaking, and in real exam we will have at least 6 to 7 questions for read aloud. Similarly, for repeat sentence we will have 11 to 12 questions for repeat sentence. Similarly, if we talk about writing section, types of questions are 2, but total number of questions will be 3 to 4. Similarly, in reading, total number of questions will be 15 to 18, and in listening we will have 18 to 20 different questions. Now let's talk about that how all these questions looks like in real PTE exam. You see on the screen, this is how real PTE exam look like. The question open in front of us is from reading section, and it is a multiple choice question in which we will need to read out the given passage first and then we will select the best option. Let's see, we select option B and then we will click into the next button in order to go to the next question. Again, we have a similar type of question. Let's suppose we selected option C, go to the next question. Again, we have a multiple choice question. Let's go to the next question. Now we have a multiple choice question with multiple answers in which we need to select more than one answer. Let's suppose I selected 3 answers, go to the next question, and now we have reorder paragraph in which the passage is given in de-order manner, but we need to select all the lines in an orderly manner. Go to the next question, we have fill in the blanks in which we need to drag and then drop the answers. If we just continue to select the next buttons, we will have the next question, like we have a fill in the blanks with the drag and drop. So the purpose of this video was just to give you an idea that how the real PTE exam looks like. Now let's talk about why PTE. Why not the other exams which are already available in the market? PTE exam has a lot of advantages over the other exams. For example, for PTE, you do not need to go individually for speaking section. All the 4 modules will be covered in just a time span of 2.5 hours. Secondly, you can get the result of PTE within 24 hours. Thirdly, you can book the PTE test just 2 days prior to the test date. But the most cracking advantage that PTE has over the other tests is the concept of transferable scores. Firstly, let's understand that what is the meaning of transferable scores. Transferable scores means, let's suppose if we are doing speaking section, then apart from speaking marks, we will also get the marks for reading and listening section as well. If we take the example of speaking section, in speaking section, speaking has 90 marks, but we also get 34 marks for reading and 45 marks for listening as well. Moreover, for reading section, we are doing reading question exams. We will get the marks for reading, but apart from reading marks, we will get the marks of 25 marks for writing. Similarly, we are doing listening section. Apart from listening marks, 45 marks for writing are also involved in listening section. Now, how it is beneficial for us? Because for the student visa or for the immigration, the requirement is usually, apart from overall bands, you need to secure either 7 or 8 bands in each of the module as well. Now, because of any reason, let's suppose you started the reading section. The few or some questions were difficult, you got confused, you got nervous, and because of any reason, you couldn't do well in reading section. Still, you have the opportunity that while you will be doing either writing section, either listening section, either speaking section, you have a chance that you can recover the reading marks from the other section. This option of transferable scores is not available in any other test but only in PTE. Students, now let's talk about why PTE Pakistan? Why not any other institute or any other online websites which are also offering the preparation materials, right? Just one sentence answer. Because we are expert in the preparation of PTE, and we can guarantee that if you will follow on all the instructions, we can guarantee you that once you will appear in your exam, you can achieve your desired score. Apart from that, we are actually offering flexible class timing. So our class timing starts from the morning till night, so you can take any of the class. Similarly, our fee is very affordable as compared to other institutes. We do have the option of either you can take group class, or if you want to take one-on-one class, that is available as well. The most cracking benefit we are offering to the student is the student login or student portal option. What is that? Once you will register with us, we will give you an access to the portal. That portal is full of material, preparation material of PTE. That portal has 16 full tests, full like the real PTE exam test, and plus we also have 15 tests of each section as well. As per the checking of these tests is concerned, it is 100% similar to how your real PTE exam will be checked, because all these tests will be checked on the technology known as artificial intelligence. Now let's see that how your mock test will be checked in our system. So students, once you will get registered with us, you will get the access of this portal. We will give you your individual username and password, and once you will click into the login button, you will get into the bank of practice material, where if you can see on the left hand side, you will have practice test, mock test and individual question practice as well. And once the mock test will finish, your result will be generated within 10 minutes, and the test generator is artificial intelligence. This is the same test generator which is used by the real PTE exam. And once you will finish your exam, we will able to view your answer, and on the basis of your answer, we will be able to give you the feedback as well. So students, that was all regarding the PTE. That was all about the introduction, how this test works and how is the scoring of all the different modules. But still, if you think that I have missed anything, or you want to get more information about anything, then you can contact us. You can either email us on info@pte.com.pk, or you can text us or call us on our WhatsApp number +61 477 033 You can also catch us on our website www.pte.com.pk. That was all from our side. Alright, so take good care of yourself, and students, these universities are waiting for you. So please, what you are waiting for, please get hurry. Thank you. Goodbye.